Wondering how to start dropshipping? I gotcha. All you really need to do is choose the right website builder for your online business. Don't worry, I already did thorough research and picked the one that makes the whole process surprisingly easy. Let's not waste any time and start building our dropshipping platform on Wix. If you're ready to start right now, a link is waiting for you down below in the description. Let's start with why I chose Wix. Simply put, Wix Website Builder is one of the easiest platforms for beginners. You don't need coding skills and you don't need to be a designer to make your site look professional. The entire building experience is visual and intuitive. You literally just drag, drop, resize, and move elements around the canvas. And don't worry, you're not starting with a blank page either. Wix offers a vast library of professionally designed templates, enabling you to start with a layout that already aligns with your brand and style. Okay, so ease of use is great, but what about functionality? Wix packs over 800 apps, ranging from automation tools to analytics. It also comes with solid SEO tools to help your shop get discovered, built-in social media integrations to expand your reach, and a wide range of payment options that make checkout smooth for your customers. They even include a logo maker, so you can get your branding done in-house. Wix truly lets you focus on what actually matters: your brand story and the products you plan to sell. You can handle all the technical setup stuff, design structure, and integrations with minimal time and effort. Now let's see specifically how to build a website for dropshipping using Wix. Let's say I want to dropship phone cases. I built this sample shop webpage and I'll walk you through exactly how I made it step by step. First, you'll need to create an account. Luckily, this part is very simple. Sign up, confirm your email, and you're in. Once your account is set up and you're signed in, press Create New Site. Now we can start setting up our Wix store. Hit the Create New Site button. Wix will then ask if you want to create your website with the help of their AI. Let's make it on our own. Now we need to describe our business. This is actually a very smart step because it forces you, in a good way, to clearly state what you're trying to make here. After you successfully do that, it's time to enter your store name. I named mine Squarecase. Just know that you can change the name at any time during the setup process. Again, you have the option to write down your goals, and I do suggest doing that, but just to mix things up, I'm choosing one of Wix's suggestions. You can let AI generate a site for you, but again, we'll opt to give more personal input and instead start with a template. To see the ones that are the best fit for my dropshipping webpage, I hit Store and choose E-commerce. Now, when it comes to templates, I suggest ripping the Band-Aid off and picking one right away because it'll help you set the visual direction and the tone of your store. And it also lets you see how everything will look while you're working. However, I recommend actually adjusting the design last because odds are you'll discover new products, new layouts, or additional pages you'll want to include later on. Trust me, you don't want to be redoing things over and over again, and it's easier to tweak visuals once the essentials are all in place. And the final step before we start adding the dropshipping integrations is connecting a domain. You can buy one from Wix or connect one you already own. Now, this is the part where you need to lock your shop name. And keep in mind that your preferred store name may need some small adjustments depending on domain availability. So you can build a store for free, but to activate your domain and launch your website publicly, you do need to choose a plan. So let's take a look at Wix pricing. There are 4 plans to choose from, each offering different features. For dropshipping specifically, it's technically possible to go with the core plan, but I recommend the business plan because compared to core, it offers way more products to dropship on Modelist. More about that in a minute. Plus, the business plan has a few more useful tools, like a referral program that helps you get more traffic by letting customers share referral links, and loyalty tiers that make customers come back for more. Still unsure which plan is the best fit for you? No worries. Scan this QR code to access our special deal and explore the plans further. The important thing is that you're already taking the first step. Keeping things moving, it's time to add dropshipping functions to our website and make it an actual e-commerce shop. To do that, head to Wix App Market from your dashboard, click Sell Online, and choose Dropshipping. Here you'll see a list of apps like Modelist and others. These platforms are basically the bridge between your online store and the real-world suppliers. You choose the suppliers you like, and the app handles all the forwarding and fulfillment. I chose to dropship using Modelist. There are tons of reasons why I did so I'll only focus on the main ones here. First, it has a lot of automations that make the whole dropshipping process easy and beginner-friendly. Second, it allows for branded products, not just generic things, and Modelist ensures the quality of the goods by verifying the suppliers. And finally, Modalist ships products faster than AliExpress. So for those reasons, I suggest you use them too. To fully connect a selected dropshipping platform, you'll need to create an account on it and sync it with your Wix store. That just takes a couple of clicks, nothing complicated. Once that's done, you can begin selecting which products to import directly into your store. Select what you want to sell and adjust the prices according to your desired earnings. Then customize the product images and edit the titles and descriptions to suit your taste. From this point on, your job is mostly organization. First, decide how many products you want to launch with. Then organize them into convenient and logical groups. This is the time to tweak your final design. I suggest focusing on making each page as minimal as possible information-wise. That creates a professional quality feel. Just don't overthink it. We still need to set up your store payments and shipping. Wix keeps payments and shipping pretty simple. Just go to Settings, under E-commerce and Finance, All Payments. There, click Manage Payment Methods and choose how you want your customers to pay. Wix will automatically show you the payment options available in your country. Wix walks you through each method. Simply connect your accounts, specify where you want to receive payments, and you're ready to accept payments. Next, let's jump to Settings, Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment to set how your orders are delivered. You can set up shipping rules for where you ship. And now, pick a shipping method, add handling time, and delivery estimates so customers understand when they can expect the order. And if you're using dropshipping apps like Modalist, you can follow their suggested shipping times to keep things accurate. Finally, perform a quick test checkout to verify that both payment and shipping options appear correctly. And once you're sure everything does work properly, you're officially ready to launch your store. There are a bunch of dropshipping automation tools to make your workflow easier. Let's take a look at the main ones. Wix apps like Modalist or Syncy automatically sync your product's availability with suppliers. So if something sells out on the supplier side, it updates in your store real time, preventing angry customers. Plus, when someone places an order in your shop, these apps literally forward the order straight to the supplier. Apps like AutoDC feature one-click product import, 24/7 price and stock monitoring, automated order fulfillment, bulk editing, and advanced product research tools. Wix e-commerce integrates SEO tools that help your store rank higher in search engines so more people can find your products and without the extra advertising cost. Also, email marketing tools, which help you reach customers directly so that you can turn casual visitors into actual buyers. And social media tools, which drive traffic to your shop, resulting in more conversions. Some dropshipping apps even integrate with marketing analytics platforms to track sales performance and optimize pricing. Wix's app market also includes many third-party apps that further expand your shop's functionality. You can offer customer reviews, live chat support, AI-powered sales assistance, and advanced product filters, all of which further enhance customer experience and streamline store management. There are even apps from print-on-demand suppliers like Printful, Printify, and PrintKK that handle everything from production and printing to packing and shipping your custom-designed products. It really shows the variety of ways your business can expand. Core values of having all of these automations available is, of course, saving tons of time while also cutting down on stress and preventing your business from making small human errors that can mess things up fast. So again, integrations are great for customer experience, not just because they expand your shop's functionality, but also because they improve customer service and accessibility. Congratulations, you now know how to start dropshipping. All that's left to do is grab the deal I managed to get for you by clicking the link below and start building your e-commerce empire. So, to sum things up, why do so many people think Wix is the best platform for dropshipping? Because it's great for both those just starting their businesses and for those looking for ways to scale. As for Wix's biggest pros, I'd highlight its user-friendly drag-and-drop web building, which make the whole site creating process easy, the extensive app integrations that automate processes and allow you to save tons of time, and the flexible payment and shipping options that make your shop more accessible to a broader range of customers. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and definitely leave a comment to let us know how your Wix store is doing. Thanks, and see you next time. Bye.